Welcome to the comprehensive guide of Arlington, Texas, art and culture attractions. In this video, we will explore some of the most notable art and culture hotspots in Arlington, giving you a glimpse into the vibrant and diverse art scene of this city. Our first stop is the Arlington Museum of Art. Located in the heart of downtown Arlington, this museum houses a vast collection of contemporary art from renowned local and international artists. Explore the diverse exhibitions and immerse yourself in the world of visual arts. Moving on, we have Theatre Arlington, a leading performing arts organization in the city. Enjoy captivating performances ranging from Broadway musicals to thought-provoking plays. Immerse yourself in the magic of live theater and witness stellar performances by talented actors. Now, let's explore the Arlington Music Hall, a historic venue that has been hosting live music events for decades. From rock concerts to country music performances, this iconic hall offers a variety of genres to cater to all music lovers. Experience the electrifying energy of live music in a breathtaking setting. Next up is the International Bowling Museum and Hall of Fame, a unique attraction that celebrates the rich history and culture of bowling. Discover fascinating exhibits showcasing the evolution of this beloved sport and learn about legendary bowlers who have made their mark in the bowling world. Our final stop is the Arlington Gallery, a contemporary art space that showcases the works of local artists. Explore a wide range of mediums, from paintings to sculptures, and get inspired by the creativity and talent of Arlington's artists. That concludes our comprehensive guide to Arlington, Texas, art and culture attractions. Whether you're a fan of visual arts, theater, music, or sports history, Arlington has something to offer for everyone. Plan your visit and immerse yourself in the vibrant art and cultural scene of Arlington, Texas.